Hi, guys. Welcome to another edition of my Copart auction vehicle escapade. Yesterday, I was able to get a buyer for my Mercedes CLK 320. It was a good deal. I wanted it to be a quick flip. At this point, I just wanted to test the market to see how the response is going to be, and it was amazing. I just posted it on Facebook. I had over 550 or 525 views, and I was just getting messages and text messages and everything because that car was clean, man. I was never able to get the top to work because I never really took it apart to even check what was wrong with it. I just cleaned it up nicely, serviced it, and warmed it up, drove it around, a couple of times, and somebody just picked it up. So I'm here looking again to see if I can get another vehicle. And so far, that's weird. This is what I bid on. It's red, man, red. I hope I get to win this one. Funny thing about this is I don't see no Geico Insurance or USA, so I don't know who's selling the vehicle, which I don't know. It's kind of weird, but I'll have to do like a vehicle VIN number and history report checkout. Yeah, this one. That looks clean, man. Also a pure sale, but no insurance company on it, so I don't know. But I can look at this vehicle. I don't see the dash. This is close to where I live, and I want to hopefully go out there and check it to see if the run and drive is really cool, and if there's anything I can do to fix it. But yeah, so far I'm loving this whole Copart thing. Now this has missing parts. It's in Alabama, Birmingham, so shipping is gonna be something. Current bid is at $1,200 already. Huh? That's way above my free bidding, but this car looks clean. Look at that interior. I mean, if I don't sell this car, I wouldn't mind driving it myself. It's pretty nice. Luxury. I like the German engineering. So there you have it. Hopefully I could come up with another deal and a quick flip. Comment with your guess on how much I sold my CLK 320 convertible. Comment with your guess and let me know how much you think I sold it for. Peace.